The steps to becoming an affiliate marketer. In later video, we'll cover the basics of getting started with affiliate marketing. I want to give you an overview of the steps involved. A how-to guide for affiliate marketing, step by step. Number 1. Find a company and product you want to promote. Number 2. Sign up as an affiliate. Number 3. Get your unique affiliate link and add it to your site. Number 4. A visitor to your website clicks the link, which takes them to a third-party page. Number 5. If the visitor makes a purchase, you receive a commission based on the value of the item purchased. Now, these steps are definitely accurate. You can't earn money with affiliate marketing without first finding a product to promote. Methodology. But more importantly, you shouldn't do affiliate marketing without first establishing trust with your audience. The audience first, always. That's why my methodology for successful affiliate marketing goes like this. Number 1. First, build a relationship with your audience. Number 2. Then, identify a product that might fit your audience's needs. Number 3. Next, use and test the product yourself to ensure it's truly something worth recommending to your audience, so you don't risk taking advantage of their trust. Number 4. Show your audience tangible proof that the product does what it promises via a blog post or case study on your website or YouTube channel. Number 5. Then, and only then, you can start to promote the product to your audience and hopefully start earning some affiliate revenue when they purchase it. This approach puts your audience's needs first and setting you up for success with affiliate marketing. For more information like this, go to www.clickdollaracademy.com.